Hello, this is part 2. Finally, part 2 of building. Not introduction, because I don't like yapping a lot. For my friend, it means yapping is a crime. It doesn't mean it's a crime, it's just it's funny. It's a meme. Alright. First up. Actually, wow. Do you have something useful for once? Wait, this is bendable. So I can shoot at you guys. Oh man, I missed. Anyways, I don't want to hit my iPad. It's expensive though. Anyways, moving on. Oh my god, they have a lot of pieces. First piece we need is this. Second piece we need is this. Third piece we need is this. Firstly, we gotta put this blue piece on here. As you see, here. Oh. Here. Ow. Here. Yes. And we gotta put this racist piece. Oh yeah. Racist piece. Yeah, racist piece. And here. As you see, there's this part, right? You can put it in here. Firstly, gotta figure out like how exactly I'm gonna put it. Oh my god. Oh my. Wait. It's so hard to put it. There you go. Here, like this. Alright? I don't know what connects to a car with this. Anyways, second. Now we need these two. As you see, we have already seen these parts at some Lego sets. This racist one and this blue one. This blue one is our oh my god. This blue one is our little friend, cause I like blue. This racist one sucks. We gotta put the racist one over here. Yep. We gotta put our friend here, the blue one, over here. Racist blue. Alright, I don't think this guy's being racist. I think I'm being racist, cause I call people racist. Yeah, no, we don't mind. Second thing we need is this long pole first form, be like in Lego. And the second one, this. I don't know what this is. Third one is our little friend again, this blue guy. Time to put some engines. Actually, no, that's not engine. Alright, here we gotta put this. Oh my god. Wait, leave the putting to me. There you go. Gotta put this here. Don't make a mistake on putting it here. Feel free to fast forward. But still, please like and subscribe. If you want to fast forward, sure you can, but anyways, yeah, you can fast forward anyways. But if you don't want to miss some steps, you may not want to fast forward. No! 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 That's why I hate being put in a couch. Everything which fell down under the couch never gets back. Until now, as you see, I have this paper ruler katana. I can use it to grab the help me, Mom. A blue Lego piece actually fell down. No, I tried so much. It just
Yuk, pause dulu lah, yuk punya video.
Udah, act normal aja. Can you see what is the situation first?
Itu udah pause. Ya pause dulu dong.
Don't know what is my name.
Pause dulu. Nggak bisa diedit, tahu dibuang.
Alright, I'm actually just done negotiating with my parents because they don't even want to grab the yellow thing anyways.
Masih?
I'll create part 3 later, I believe. Womp womp.